Hello everyone, welcome to NP Email. Today I'm gonna show you something about NP Email and its procedures and getting automated with your email campaigns. Alright, so here in NP Email I could say that like this NP Email has been created exclusively for business development people and people's within various industries who used to run several email campaigns and whomever is in need of a small and startup or an individual who needs the support of an email automation tool who use Word, Excel sheet, mail merge with a lot of automations. We have created this platform exclusively for them. All right, so let's quickly jump onto the product. So now when you want to register, it's a simple registration process. Like as you need to just put in your informations and that's a normal one. And I have created a demo account and where I'm gonna show you a sample experiment of how NV email works. All right. So let's assume like I have account created and I'm onto it now. So if I have my account on Office 365 or if I have my account with different SMTP or if I want to configure my Gmail, everything can be done. Now in my case, I'm gonna give you an experiment on my Office 365 account. So when I click sign in, it automatically asks for my detail, and when I give access and give the password name and stuff for it, it automatically authenticates immediately onto the Infi email account. Boom, that's it. Your email account is configured now. So once that's done, the page is getting refreshed, and upon the refresh you can see your email account is configured now. So now you can see the configuration sets, and you have lot of other features like you can add another SMTP to send your emails like SendGrid or anything like that. And now let's hop on immediately onto it. So the basic feature of NV email, what we have created is it's like an alternative version of Outlook or maybe a Gmail or any emailing client. So here in this NV email, I'll tell you like it's a normal emailing platform where you have the compose and tools and you know you can send out emails. It's normal, and this is the place where the magic happens. So when you click on campaign, and what you could do is like if you're using a word or something like that where you can just copy paste the content what you want to send, and you need to add a follow-up to that one, and you can have individually editable subject lines for each one, and you can personalize to the core. And let's say for an example, I'm adding out an Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the data which I'm going to add in there now. So I'm adding that data onto this Excel, campaign. So I have selected the campaign. I'm selecting the, merge field sections is getting replaced. So I'm adding the company name here. I'm doing the merge field corrections, and after that, okay, so this is how you can do that. But what I have did is like I have already created a sample template like this, and let me show you how that works. So now here my merge fields are already matched and everything is fine. And since I want to show you a quick example, I'm gonna go with the template which I have saved. That's it. Like as I said to you before, you have to create them something like that, and you have to name or create a template on that one. So when you do that, this happens. So I'm selecting the list of email IDs, which is gonna be there. And here the sections is here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go there. I'm keeping a difference of 3 days of duration in between. And each email has to go at 9 a.m. Eastern. And I'm selecting the time zone as Eastern time zone. And I'm clicking OK. Boom, everything got changed to 9 a.m. Eastern, and you have at uh, 9 a.m. Eastern, and the template is saved on the format. If I click update template, it gets saved on the same format, and that's all. And now I'm gonna have a preview of how the email is gonna go. So if you see here on the preview here, this is how the email ID is. I have my teammates email IDs configured on it before. So what I'm gonna do is like I have verified it. So if you could see here, this email would be on Thursday, this email would be on Sunday. Oh, okay. So we have to do another change here. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna go onto the settings, and on the general settings I have to select my working days. So I don't work on Sundays and Saturday. So after keeping this default selection, I'm selecting the time zone. So this is the time zone which I have to. So I have made this selection. Now I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna, recreate this one. And if you see in here, so what I'm gonna do is like, since we have updated the new field, I'm gonna do it like this. So if you see here, I have selected the time zones and stuff now, so I have to recreate this campaign again. So I'm selecting the template, I'm selecting out the Excel sheet, I'm selecting the sheet, merge fields matching. Then after that, selecting the email field, and now I have to give the time, and okay. Now I can check all my email informations in here. Then I can have an update template, and after updating the template, I can have a preview of it. And if you see on that preview, you could see some differences, because like, since we have turned off the weekend selections, if you see here, we selected 3 days, like, 2 days, and some dates are with 2 3 2 3 2 3, because it has to postpone it to the next working day, Wednesday. Here if you see, it will be postponed to Monday, so no Saturdays and Sundays in between. So this is one major, thing we could help you out. And how does this follow-ups and everything is going to be sent? So let's assume like you are sending this email to 7 people, and someone happened responded back to you for 2 days, and this follow-up email thread would be sent to them. And after that, if they did not respond back to that, it does consistently with persistence. It does follow-ups on behalf of you on a single click. So now I have drafted and I have created my template and everything is fine. So now I have to click send. That's it. So click OK, send. Once you send the campaign, you can have a look on it in here. And here on this section, if you could see, the emails are getting added up. And since it's such a huge email, it takes a couple of seconds to get it done. So now this is how what we do with Infi email. So now when I go to settings, here my email account is configured. I have to do some pre-configurations like time, date, compose, email outgoing, and all the other things are here. So you have multiple options to check it out. We have this B list management, where in this B list management, anyone who unsubscribed you will be here. The email ID is bounced will be listed out here. Email IDs that's blocked by either you or someone reporting spam, everything can be found out on this section itself. Now let's assume, you know let's look how the magic is going to work. So when you look onto campaign, so the emails have been I'm clicking out open, and if you see in here, so the first email is on queue. I think we got the magic done now. So we have to go in here, look out here. Yeah, the received, we sent the email and we got this email. So I'm opening it up. So Kathy, yes, the first email, and on Mary, I have received the email on the inbox. On Melissa, on Mary, Tina. So don't think that like it's both sent on same time. It's all in different. It's a testing email which we sent previously. So now you have this email here. So if you could just I'm giving a red receipt. If this user is giving a red receipt and this user is also giving a red receipt, we have two different functionalities. Let me just give you an explanation. I'm just responding to this email from Melissa saying that thank you, thanks, will get back to you and sent. And if it is in a Gmail account, look at here. Hi Michael, this is my another colleague's email. So here if you see, everyone has been addressed individually and they have received their email like this. So if I click reply, thanks Manoj, I have responded from this one, and I'm sending another email to my another Gmail account. So here I have it. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to click unsubscribe from this account, because like if I feel that I don't want to receive any email, I'm clicking it as unsubscribe. Now everything is done in here. So that's all. You have been unsubscribed here. So now let's hop onto our email account. If you see in here, so we have received the emails, and since it's a huge process, like we have automated it in a very few methodology. So look, this is the campaign what we sent now, and when I open this message, I can see the total what email has been sent out. And if I want to look onto this email, see, these are all the recipients. And Mbilva. I responded back from Mbilva and open counts. Like we've opened from Kathy, Mary, everyone who opened the email, and a red receipt. I guess like it would take a couple of minutes. So click scan be seen. See, M Dharma Ratanasan has unsubscribed. You would have noticed that I have unsubscribed and I don't have any bounce email IDs on it. So in case if I have a bounce email, it would be added in here. So this is how. So what happens here is like if you can just check it out, this email has been delivered to 7 people. On this, one unsubscribed and 2 responses. So there are 4 people who haven't responded. So the next follow-up one will be sent for these 4 people, and it is scheduled on this time frame. And on 13th of April, this email will be sent for these 4 people. Until this time, it will be watching it out. So like this, we have several other features which is included in here. So I want you people to just like experience this process and experience it. And in case if you have any questions or anything, just simply email to info at the rate infiemail.com, or demo or support at infiemail.com. We could definitely help you out, and you can minimize, maximize, and lot more. See, Melissa responded back to us. So I got this Melissa's response. Thanks, we'll get back to you. And again, the unsubscribe notification of him is in here, and you can specifically separate both the things here. So if you see here, the response what we did is in it, and on the report section you can find it out how the things worked out. So if you see here, I can see like 2 responses literally from Mvilda and Melissa. And in case if you want to respond directly from here, you can click reply and just respond to them. Thanks, Melissa. Thanks, and obviously the follow-up will be stopped for both the peoples. In case if you feel that you don't want this follow-up to happen, you can delete it. All right, and you can also view the statistics. So you can just like use the statistics button to check out how your email campaign performed, and that can be seen in here. And you can download the sheet if you want to re-alterate or re-modify something like that. And another one, in case if you have a suggestion that like you want to force stop, or you want to view the report, or you want to delete the campaign, anything can be done from here. And the beautiful feature what we have given here is like in case before the follow-up goes on the exact mentioned time, you want to make some editing or you want to do some corrections, you can do it from here and update the template. So it can be done. So we have a lot more other features added to this product. So if you could just take out a demo of us, you can visit our website and you can quickly book a demo. And if you click on to the demo, we can definitely help you out in more ways and explain you a lot of features, and any features that you would need would also be noted down, and it would be done in week of time. All right. So infeemail.com is an emailing platform where you can generate template, bounce management, replay management, list management. You can personalize to everyone and send it snippets. Snippets is another cool feature what we have added in here, where you can store out a replay and you can send it to uh, people in a very quick short methodology, or maybe in a short span of time. And that's it. Hope you have enjoyed, or hope our product would help you out in a better way. Give us a feedback or let us know at what time we could have a demo. And again, you could just book a demo over here on our page. Thank you so much, and let's meet on the demo. Thank you.